Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. This versatile Tiguan was built to keep up with your family's busy lifestyle. Standout fuel efficiency, available third-row seating, flexible interior configuration, and advanced safety and connectivity tech make road trips and errands easier than ever before. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls. Don't miss the opportunity to enjoy the comfort and convenience this Tiguan has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.